How does lambda function differ from a normal function in Python? Python lambda functions are anonymous functions, which means that the function is without a name. The def keyword is used to define a normal function in Python. Similarly, the lambda keyword is used to define an anonymous function in Python. Lambda function can have any number of parameters, but can have just one statement. Lambda is similar to the inline function in C programming. It returns a function object. In case of normal function, you can define a function name, pass the parameter and mandatorily have a return statement. But in lambda function, it is typically used for simple operations without the use of function names. It can be also used in place of a variable. So, here I have given two examples. The left side one, here you see this is the normal function which we have used using the keyword def. Okay. So, we are finding the cube here, def cube, then we are passing the argument as y and then returning the y into y because we are finding the cube, then we are printing. Here we are printing normal function then cube. See, the result here is 1000. But in case of lambda function, what we are doing, this lambda underscore cube is nothing but a variable and then we are assigning this lambda function details, right. So, lambda y colon y into y into y. This is how you can write the lambda function using the lambda keyword. Then finally, we are printing it and then again here we are passing the argument as 10 and we are getting the output as 1000. Okay. So, now you understood what is the difference between a lambda function and a normal function. We will move to the next question. What is exception handling in Python? We will learn about this question in our next video. Thank you.